Hi guys, good morning. I'm back. And I wanted to show you the dried result of my color split pour. It turned out amazing, I must say. It's so beautiful, but the Prussian blue almost looks black. But I think when I varnish this with glass, the blue will pop up a little bit of more. And also I need to do the sides because they're horrible. I'll do that today. And also, I'm gonna do an abstract painting. I bought some balloons and I think I'm gonna do some balloon smashes in it with my pots that I smash as well. So let's see how this will turn out. Water. Here. It's so wet, so this is easy. I can't help it. I just love the details in such a painting, especially when it's wet. It's so interesting. And this pink, it's so gorgeous with the gold. Also here. I'm sorry guys, I didn't use the balloon smash like I promised. Like I promised, like I promised. But I think it wouldn't fit here. I need to do that on a smaller canvas. I really like this. Let me see how it dries.